This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Alan Simmons. This lovely 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo is located in the heart of West Ghent. This condo offers a living room, dining room, sunroom/office space, lots of windows to bring in natural sunlight, hardwood floors throughout, on-site laundry, basement storage, and a large backyard deck. The backyard deck is for all residents to enjoy. It's a great place to relax, cook on the gas grill, and socialize with friends and neighbors. Within proximity of the Elizabeth River Trail, entertainment in Chelsea, local breweries and restaurants, the new rail yard, Colley Avenue, and downtown Norfolk. Overall, this property is a great place for those looking for a serene urban living experience in a vibrant neighborhood. November 11, 2024. For more information, review the details below.